Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore network adapters after driver updates in Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore network adapters after a driver update in Windows, begin by opening the Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Device Manager from the list. Once the Device Manager window is open, look for the section labeled Network Adapters. Click the arrow next to the section to expand and identify the affected network adapter, which may have a yellow triangle icon indicating a problem. Right-click on the problematic adapter and select Uninstall Device from the context menu. A confirmation dialog will appear. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device if applicable, and then click Uninstall. After the uninstallation completes, restart your computer. Windows should automatically attempt to reinstall the driver for the network adapter during the boot process. If the driver does not reinstall automatically, return to Device Manager after the restart. Click on Action in the menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. This will prompt Windows to search for any missing drivers, and if the adapter is still not functioning properly, you can download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. Make sure to choose the correct model and Windows version for the best compatibility. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, restart your computer once more. Now check the status of your network adapter in Device Manager. If everything is functioning correctly, you should no longer see any error indicators. You can also test your network connection to ensure it's working properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.